Hello ladies and gentlemen, and happy Tuesday. I want to start out today's video a little differently and share with you this awesome time lapse of this storm system that we have been watching evolve over the last several days. This thing has brought very heavy snow and a major ice storm to portions of the northern plains, while we're watching another severe weather outbreak take place across parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia. As we head into the day tomorrow, we're going to be watching the system plow through the Carolinas as well. And here's a closer look at that storm system plowing through Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi. And today we watched it plow through Alabama, Georgia, and we're also now starting to see it enter parts of South Carolina as well. Now, I do want to let you know that there's a very small risk of severe weather heading into our day tomorrow, but just know that the severe weather risk for our day tomorrow is going to be much, much lower than what it currently is right now for parts of Georgia and Alabama, but I'll tell you more about that coming up in just a couple of minutes. Before we get to that, overnight forecast for tonight, temperatures well above average, only dropping down into the lower 60s under mostly clear skies, and there will be some areas of patchy fog around tomorrow morning as well. Heading into your Wednesday afternoon, temperatures still staying well above average, topping out in the mid to upper 70s. And as you might have guessed, all that heat and humidity, well, that will form a good bit of showers and storms as we head into your day tomorrow. And let's time out these showers and storms for you here on our future radar. Not much going on in the way of rainfall throughout our area, say around 10 o'clock tonight or midnight tonight, but as you are heading towards your midnight hour and deeper into your morning, parts of Sumter, Hartsville, Darlington, Bennettsville, and Laurinburg, yeah, you're going to be picking up on some rainfall and possibly rumble of thunder as well, while areas to the east of that and southeast of that will be remaining rain-free under mostly cloudy skies. However, as you head deeper into your morning and say as you are heading out the door for work or school tomorrow morning, scattered showers will be possible pretty much across our whole entire area. I do think that we'll be seeing much less in the way of rainfall right along the immediate coast, but as you head further west of that, lots of showers and storms to be reckoned with. Now, as you head towards your lunch hour, most of our area is pretty much rain-free, but just to the west of that, across many of our border belt counties, there is that line of storms that I was just telling you about, and this will be the storm that we will have to watch out very, very closely for the potential of severe weather. This will be plowing through our area all afternoon, reaching our coastline as you are heading home from work or school at around 5 or 6 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and then this line is out of here as you are heading to bed tomorrow evening. Now let's talk about the risk for severe weather in our area. Here's a look at the SPC scale throughout the whole entire southeastern region for the day tomorrow. Parts of south and southwestern Georgia are under a 2 out of 5 risk on the SPC scale, while the whole entire state of South Carolina and most of North Carolina is only under a 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather. And that just goes to show you how low our risk for severe weather is. Don't get worried that we're going to be dealing with a major severe weather outbreak. That is not what's going to happen at all. But you do need to be weather aware, considering that there is that chance for severe weather. Our primary threat does include a very isolated brief tornado risk and a isolated damaging wind gust as well. This includes the whole entire area, and we will be having this threat anywhere from the afternoon hours and say into your early evening hours as well. Just be sure that you have a way to get a warning. God forbid there is a watch or a warning issued. Heading into your Thursday, not much better weather when talking about the temperatures. Temperatures still staying well above average in the upper 60s and lower 70s. On the bright side, no severe weather to contend with at all under partly sunny skies. And as we head into your day on Friday, I am sorry if you are enjoying all this warm weather, because come on Friday, this thing is saying all this weather, we have to say, we pretty much have to say sayonara to this warm weather, because come on Friday, our next cold front arrives in our area and brings our temperatures back to where they should be at this time of year. And let's take a look at your weekend forecast before we take a look at your 10-day forecast. Probably sunny skies expected for your Saturday, afternoon highs topping out in the upper 50s. Heading into your Sunday, a little bit warmer, topping out in the lower 60s. However, we will be dealing with mostly cloudy skies. As you look at your 10-day extended forecast, beyond the day tomorrow, much drier weather arrives in our area for your Thursday, Friday, and also for the upcoming weekend as well. As I said, if you're a fan of this warmer weather, take advantage of it over the next 2 days, because come on Friday, we go from the 70s on Wednesday down into the upper 50s for your Friday and Saturday, lower 60s for your Sunday. Before all next week, we are only going to be topping out in the 50s. There is a very small chance of rain next Monday as another weather maker arrives in our area, but as of right now, only putting a 20% chance of rain. Other than that, expect partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies every single day. Overnight lows dropping down into the 30s and 40s. As you head further inland, beyond tomorrow, much drier weather arriving in our area for your Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and pretty much the whole entire weekend, the whole entire week beyond that, Afternoon highs over the next 2 days still well above average in the 70s. We finally get back to where we should be at this time of year come on Friday, Saturday, and pretty much your Sunday as well. A little bit warmer on your Sunday, topping out in the lower 60s, but still closer to average than where we currently are right now. Our next best chance of rain will come next Monday before we are dealing with partly mostly cloudy skies every single day. Keep it here at Liam's Weather for all of the latest information.